Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap reveal. And sorry this is delayed, but this is the September folio swap that I got from Happycrafter's swap for the month of September, and it was called the folio, no, Chipboard Folio. And so she already did a reveal. I just haven't had a chance to put mine up because my computer was down, so I'm putting up mine now to show you what I got. And just say thank you to the two ladies who created, and of course everybody's links will be below. And I'm going to stop the video, start it back up just 1 second so you won't hear all the crinkling. Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap reveals for the September's Happycrafters Lisa's No Chipboard Folio swap that we did. And mine is probably going to be up a little bit late because my computer was being ordered during this time. So anyway, but I still wanted to show it and show what I got. So these are the two lovely ladies that I swapped with, and these are my swap reveals. So I will have all of their links below, as well as Lisa's Happycrafter, so you can see that. So the first one, both of them came in cellophane, excuse me, and I just took it out because of the sounds. But let's start out with Felicia's first. And hers is FVA Nails and More, and of course she has a YouTube channel here on the YT as well, so you can check her out. So she has some extra goodies. So she made a handmade goodies right here, some flowers, and look at that. I love that camera because I love photography anyway, so I just love that. And then this nice heart. It is, you can tell this chip was nice thick paper. So I always give you some flowers, and of course these are my favorite colors, so right up my alley, so love those. And what girl can use some more trim? It's a nice trim. You can use that in some projects. And then she also has some fun fur, some of your fall colors as well. And you got some popcorn one up here as well, so I've got several colors of that: black, white, orange, and then the mixed one right here. So thank you for that as well. And then she made an ATC coin. If you don't know what ATC is, they're usually the size of a baseball card, 2.5 by 3.5, and it's an artist trading card. And what they do is artists used to give it as a form of a signature to just show you their art style. So then they came up with these ATC coins, which I love. So it's my first actual ATC coin that I've received from anyone, so really appreciate it. You can tell it's really pretty, nice and sturdy. She's got a bow with some bling, it says believe on it. Look at that flower, she's inked it, the flowers here. Got doily in the background, some fun fur, really pretty, and then her stuff on the back. So she's a July baby. And that is really nice. Thank you. I'm so excited to receive that. And she made this envelope to keep it in as well. And then her chipboard. And again, our chipboard had to not contain cardboard. Sorry about that, the noise. But it's not as loud as the cellophane. And we were in the clean and simple because she also had the shabby. So this is Dream Big, and again she's got the flowers up here, and I probably just pulled one of the little pieces off right there when I just snatched it and I go back and look. But it's got the fun furs, got the rosette right here, nice fall colors. And then we are supposed to do a waterfall with at least 7, and then some tags so that you can decorate and put some pictures in it. She's got a regular tag with her information on it, which is what we always do in Lisa's swap. She always wants you to have information about your swap partner, which is really nice to do that. And then you have these beautiful little cards. Look at that butterfly. Pretty. And then you can journal on the back or put pictures on the back. So these are large enough for at least a 4x6 picture. So we had to make a pocket over here. And then over here is the waterfall. I love the weekend, amen. And she's got it magnetized. And then you can use this for a little quick mini album, because that's what it is. Put photos, journaling spots, right up here. So very nice. Thank you so much. And that is the back of those pretty butterflies on the well and the spine. And so thank you so much, Felicia. And now I'm going to show you. This is from the Hands of America. This is Tina's. She has a little note up here just that says, she's a newbie. Oh, wow. So that is pretty cool. Just a first time, like, really swapping. She's new at this. And hers came in the cellophane as well. I just took it off already. So this is personalized for me. I love the little swap nail. And while I'm doing that, this is her tag. A nice, fun shape. Hands of a Miracle again. That's Tina. So Tina, I'm glad that you took the plunge. So this is hers, and you can see her bling and her ribbon. She's got several layers, 4 layers of that going around. Very pretty and feminine. It says smile on it. It's got a bow on there on the front. And guess what? It's Velcro, so you can open it up just like that. And that's the back, solid color. And what she did was right here, she has a hidden pocket. So with a hidden pocket, you can put a photo right here. And then she also has a little tuck where you have a card that you can either journal on the back or put a little picture on the front and or the back. So that was a really neat addition to that project. I really like that idea. Here's her waterfall. She's got the rounded corners. It's got solid and strips, alternating paper right here for her waterfalls. And then in the back it says picture perfect, and I love how that's at an angle. And you can use this as a picture right there. That's pretty cool. And then she's got some more mats over here as well. And nice fun shapes that you can actually put some photos on. And so this is a nice, both of these are really nice quick additions. And you can use these quick mini albums. You know, you go somewhere, you know, and you can just put your photos right in it. And you got a quick album. And then she gave us some die cuts. And some stamp die cuts at that. So she had to stamp them and die cut them. And these are kind of words that go along with this album. Because you got captured, documented, noted moments. So that would be perfect in the same color. So this could match with this album perfectly. And she's also got some pre-cuts for you, which is really nice. Because these pre-cuts, again, you can put them on the pictures. These are your tabs. You can put stamped sentiments on them. And so you can really bring out, and this is nice sturdy paper, and that's double-sided. So you got all of that in there as well. And in addition to that, she gave some goodies. And what girl doesn't like to have some extra tape, you know what I'm saying? Sorry about the sound. So she did a whole collection of different types of stuff. Glue stick, 2 of those. Some Bond craft glue right here. Then you've got your puff, the bigger squares and the little squares, always dimensional. You got your red line tape, which is like the super tape of all tape. And then you've got your, I hadn't seen the line ones, but these are great for doing with your ribbons and different things like this as well. So got all different types of tape. And of course, another one of these bottles. I love these because it has the cap on it. And they really come in handy with your glue. So, appreciate everything you guys did, ladies. Wonderful, wonderful. I will enjoy my goodies and check out their channels. So, both of them have YT channels. Check them out. Give them some love and support and tell them I sent you. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.